This is a B&T P26. To break this one down, you have a takedown pin. So you're going to want to push that through. Pull it out. Then you'll have the upper receiver and the lower receiver. You just want to push on the top part of the upper receiver. You'll see it start to disconnect there. A little bit tough. You got the lower receiver. Then you have the upper here. You have an end cap on the back that you want to unscrew. Here you'll have your guide rod and springs. You have 2 springs in there. I usually hold on to both of those. Pull that all out at one piece, and you'll notice that there's a notch at the bottom. When reassembling, that notch will be face down. You go ahead and pull your bolt back. Got your lever, you can pull that out here. You'll notice that this has a little notch in the top of that ring. When putting that back in, you're going to want that notch face into that little detent there. That way it'll line up. Now that the bolt's free, be able to just slide that out. That's the field strip to put this back in. You'll see the grooves at the bottom. I'm going to line that up so it's facing down. Put the bolt back in. You'll have your little lever here for your bolt. Go ahead and line that up and make sure, like I said, that little notch is lining up with that detent. That way it'll slide right in. You have your guide rod and recoil springs. 2 springs will line up with 2 holes in there, and then the notch on the bottom of this will be facing down. That way it can pass through this section right down in there. And you'll have your end cap. You want to screw that back in. Then you'll have your locking lug here. That'll go right down where the takedown pin is. And then the receiver will fit back into these grooves on here. Lock those back together. Push your pin in. It's reassembled again.